Here's how to turn on and enable Siri on your Mac. But before we do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So first, we're going to go to our system settings. Open that up, and then go to the Siri tab. It might say Apple Intelligence and Siri, or just Siri. Click on that, and then in order to enable it on, press the on button. Mine's on the left, it says Enable Ask Siri, and then you can change the different command options for Siri. As you can see, mine is hold command space. You can press FN, hold option space. There's different stuff you can choose from. You can also change the voice of Siri that you want, the voice feedback, have it save the history, or if you want to show it in the menu bar. To turn it off, do the same thing, but check this off. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I'll see you in the next video.